Alright, today I'm gonna be pranking my sister. Can't let her see me because she doesn't know I'm still out there. But I'm gonna be pranking my sister. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna hide behind the car. And then I'm gonna just whack her with it in the face. She said she needed to go in real quick and get a drink or something like that, eat. And I'm gonna go behind the car and I'm gonna yell for Maddie, or I'm gonna yell, and then she's gonna come running out and go behind the car, and then I'm gonna just slap her. It's gonna be funny, just watch. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys up right here. Alright, you guys can see me.
I'm turning it around. And so we are trying to get to 100 likes, 25 likes. Hang on. There's Austin.
Hey! Knock it off, Lily. Look at that. There's my doggy. Our
And
doggy.
mine.
Our doggy. But, man, that was a good prank. Alright, peace.